So single machine cell, it is a single machine will be there. You can say single machine cell, as the title, the name indicates, there will be a single machine and there will be a conveyor and job holding and work holding devices and the program of or the set of informations or instructions, those are required to operate. Okay, this will be one cell. Okay, this will be a cell. The cell in the sense, there may be one flexible manufacturing system in the industry. There may be 10 manufacturing cells in the industry. You can understand me, I think. You understood? We have different departments in the institution. You understood? In the similar way, the manufacturing, flexible manufacturing is a whole as a whole, and flexible manufacturing cell is, it is a part of manufacturing system. Okay, in other way. And the single cell manufacturing, you can identify it by a single machine. There will be a job holding and work holding devices, programs, a set of instructions, and some kind of image sensing device which can able to identify the shape of the object, so that it can change the machine setup as well as the program setup also. Here, some of the industries, they will be using the vision applications also. How the vision application works? What are the applications of vision systems in the industries? Anyone of you please tell me. Write a short notes on vision and its applications or machine vision applications. Some 2, 3. Anyone of you? One. I told you, please, you should not say no for anything. At least you should have to give a small hint about what they are going to ask me. What are the applications of machine vision or machine vision applications in the industries? Anyone? Machine vision applications or robotic vision applications. Vision application in the sense what? Please try to understand, analyze the question itself. Machine vision application is used for the inspection and testing purpose online, and even for the assembly also. Okay, inspection, testing, and the assemblies. For this purpose, the vision system or vision application should be used. There will be 3 important sections. One is the grasping the image and converting this image analog to digital conversion. It is computer mapping, final application. Understood my point? So whatever the object is there is very big technology behind this. Suppose, for example, the object is the vision application, a camera device will be there, it will be projected onto the object. And the object will be extracted from the system by eliminating the background. You are understanding me? I am standing here and I am standing there, the background will be different. The system will not understand if the background is different. Correct? No? So for this purpose, the background will be eliminated. So the background elimination techniques are very edge detection and front detection techniques. All these will be used in the industries. Okay, it is one of the big application of the computers in the vision application. Okay, so basically the vision applications will be used for the assembly, inspection, testing purpose. That's all. You try to remember them. And what is the flexible manufacturing cell? Flexible manufacturing cell. The same thing. There will be a group of machines will be there, and conveyor systems will be there, and there will be some kind of arrangement will be done for a limited storage of the materials in between. What is that? What is the meaning of buffer storage? Buffer storage. Here. What is the meaning of buffer storage? Use the mask, all of you, because you know. So today's this one I have seen morning around 40% spreading is from the schools and the colleges. So, right, whatever happens, you will see that later. But in the beginning, you have to take also some kind of precautions. Correct or reserve it. Yeah, Buffer storage. Suppose I ask you, write a short notes on buffer storage. Please come here. What is the meaning of buffer storage? See, already you have become around 90% you have become mechanical engineer. Correct now? So you should be in the position to explain by using a general ideas also. You think it must. Tell me. ಅಕಡೆ ಮುಖ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳೋ ಬಫರ್ ಸ್ಟೋರೇಜ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಇಲ್ವಾ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಫರ್ ಸ್ಟೋರೇಜ್ buffer storage. ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ದನ ಕಾಯ್ಕೊಪ್ಪು when you people will become serious then? A general thing, buffer storage. Yaradru head, please, anyone of you please raise your hand and tell. Buffer storage. ಏನಂತ? What is your name? Chetan. MRM. Correct now, I told in the beginning only, you need not to do any kind of preparation at home. While in the class only have effective discussion and make it clear here only. The buffer storage, whenever you are going for the assembly or manufacturing level, correct now? Each work centers or workstations will be integrated by means of a chain or conveying devices. And we find once it is totally integrated, sometimes if there is any breakage in the or breakdown, maybe at the machine level or conveyor level or whatever it is, so the whole system will be facing problem of production, and the starving of station and blocking of station will be come into the picture here. Any machine it is working, but it is not receiving any raw material, that will be starving of station, and blocking of station is the next machine is not working, so that the whole lot is stopped the working of the previous machine, that is blocking of station. So the starving of station and blocking of station, that will happens due to imbalance in the processing of the material on the automated chain conveyor systems. So in such cases, whenever you require to balance it, that time the balancing method is that by using the additional stock between the two workstations. The additional stock can be provided by using the buffer storage units. The buffer storage unit is one which will be keeping the additional materials in between the workstations, and whenever it is required, it will be retrieved. When the machine is starting for the work, then the raw material will be flowing to the workstation. Already I have shown how the buffer storage will work. Please understand very seriously. You take all the subject very seriously, and this is one of the subject you can do very good scoring without putting much more effort. In a control engineering and all these, okay, if you do a problem properly, you'll get the marks, otherwise no. Here, a slight amount of or slight effort you give, the content is very good. You need not to write page together, you'll get very good marks. Correct, no? And in the control engineering and all, if you cannot do the problem, you cannot do the write the problem in another way. It is not possible. But here it is possible. Without answering it, you cannot leave any questions. You can answer all the questions. Be serious. Is it a greatness if you don't know? Okay, so the flexible manufacturing system have three important levels or types. One is flexible manufacturing, single flexible manufacturing cell, and then flexible manufacturing system. Almost all the three types you take, there will be a conveyor system, automated conveyor system, and there will be automated job holding devices. Correct now? And I also did one small job holding device. I will be showing you. I think that day I shown you. No, I did small the job holding device while the product is coming on the conveyor. It is there in this one. You can see that in MS Team I loaded. You can, if you want, you can see this. Okay, and what differences you can write? Either you go for the single station or double station work cell or manufacturing system. All these will be having the common things. A conveyor will be there, job holding device will be there, work holding devices will be there, and once the product come onto the conveyor, there will be some kind of sensor which can able to sense the presence of the object, so that it can change over from one type of product into the other type, or it can terminate the program and it can start the program. For all these things, we can use these sensors as interlocks between the machine and the conveyors. One thing. The second one, if it is a double station, single station, there will not be. The single station will be operated by a single or two people. Okay, one person at the entry and another person at the outlet. The double station, here another additional feature will be added. In between the two workstations, we can have small capacity of the buffer storage. That is one difference you can find. Remaining all of them with same features. And whatever the workstations you are going to use them, those will be totally engaged in the work for what they are meant for. Okay, one is a building machine, another is the shaping machine. Both will be engaged in these works. Okay, all these will be machining activities. Now, let me come to the flexible manufacturing system. In what way the flexible manufacturing system will be different from flexible manufacturing cell? Maybe it is single or double. The additional feature in this is that in between these lines there may be non-production station also implemented